Hello beautiful, today we're gonna be doing an avocado mask DIY from Welsh Curly Girl. She's in Instagram. This mask will leave your hair very moisturized. Also, if you're new to Curly and Elegant, welcome and join us. For this you will need honey, olive oil, and 1 avocado or 1 cup of diced avocados. You will put that in there. Use 3 teaspoons of honey and 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil, even though I used 1 full teaspoon. You will mix that well. For this, I already have my hair detangled, washed, and divided. You will need, of course, the avocado mask and a hair cap. You will take 1 section down, put the avocado mask, make sure your ends are very covered with this. Also, as a tip, make sure you're not in a surface or doing this in a place where there is a carpet or it's difficult to clean, because this tends to be a little bit messy. So just apply that throughout your hair, each section one at a time. Make sure your ends are very covered, because that's where we curlies have most of the time problems with, and you'll be good. Also, make sure to leave your comment down below. Have you ever done this? Have you ever done other? Just let me know what DIYs you have done so far. After that, you will make nuts. This is so you can put the cap in. You will leave this for 20 to 30 minutes. I left it for an hour, but yes. After that, you just wash your hair and make sure to take down the filaments in the hair, because it can be left by the avocado. So yes, this is pretty much all. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe down below, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one, beautiful.